Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss your SYBA compulsory English core course choice based credit system 70/30 pattern syllabus, which is going to be with effect from 2020-21. So let's begin which units we are going to study in this paper. First paper is compulsory English paper semester 3. As you can see, unit 1, a simple philosophy, the homecoming, the verger. In Unit 2, Poetry section, The Palanquin Bearers by Sarojini Naidu, On the Grasshopper and the Cricket by John Keats, Pied Beauty, written by George Manley Hopkins. In Unit 3, Grammar section, you are going to study the passive voice, direct indirect speech, negative sentences. Unit 4, Vocabulary, one word substitute, idioms, suffixes, and prefixes. In the next unit, Soft skills, there will be leadership skills, teamwork skills. Let's go through unit 4. Unit, sorry, semester 4. Unit 1, prose. The Chicago speech by Swami Vivekananda, The Lottery Ticket by Anton Chekhov, The Open Window. Unit 2, poetry. On Another Sorrow, William Blake, Laugh and Be Merry by John Mansfield, The Rock and the Bubble. Unit 3, grammar section, question tags, simple complex compound sentences, degrees of comparison. Unit 4, vocabulary, collocations, words that go together, phrasal verbs, commonly confused words. Unit 5, last unit, soft skills, problem solving skills, time management. So this one is your compulsory English SYBA new syllabus, revised syllabus for your paper compulsory English. Now let's go through the next paper, which was old G2 paper SYBA. So what you are going to study? Advanced study of English language. Units are semester 3 phonology, unit 1 phonology. As you can see on your screen, these will be the 6 subtopics in phonology. In morphology, what is morphology? Concept of morpheme, allomorph, allomorph, types of morphemes and all. Unit 3, socio-linguistic, national varieties of English, British, American and Indian, regional and social dialects, standard dialect, concept of register, formal and informal styles and all. Semester 4, in this paper, syntax, unit 1, concept of phrase, phrase structure, rules, types of phrases, noun, phrase and all. Unit 2, semantics, introductory, what is semantics, difference between denotative and connotative meaning and all. Unit number 3, pragmatics, introductory, what is pragmatic, speech acts, types of speech act, Austin's typology and all. Unit 2 and Unit 3 I have already covered in my study material, which is available on Savitribai Phule Pune University's study material portal. So you can refer my study material for these 2 units, semantics and pragmatics. So this one is your paper G2, old G2 paper, which just now I discussed. Next paper is appreciating drama, old S1 paper. Okay, so these are going to be the units in semester 3. Theory of drama, drama the literary form, drama the performing art form, elements of drama. Unit 1, semester 3. Unit 2, A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. Semester 4, in this paper, since semester 4, Unit 1, Arms and the Man by J.B. Shaw. Unit 2, The Fire and the Rain by Girish Karnad. So, this one is your semester 4 in appreciating drama paper. In my next video, I will discuss the next paper, which is S2, old S2 paper, title Appreciating Poetry. Thank you so much, students, for listening me.